Jitendra, I think, he's put it this way, he's a great go-to guy. I believe anybody has an issue, I think everybody go after him, go to him and ask for solution. That's a great achievement, Jitendra. I think you earned that one in this company. You were a go-to guy for anything related to HR, especially in the recruiting side. I think I really appreciate that. I think that's a very hard-earned achievement. It won't come with titles, it won't come with your power, it comes with only your attitude, and it comes with your capability of resolve the problem without having any personal agenda there. So that's a great skill you have, and keep it up. You did amazingly things at the Evoke. So you go beyond things like it's not like organization requires this one. You go all the way out. You go all the way to make it happen, irrespective of your limitations, irrespective of your job role, irrespective of the days, the hours, or time. I think you are there to make organization is successful and create impact. I don't have to tell you, you understand 90% of the things, what is needed for this organization. I think, I feel very lucky and very happy working with you, Jitendra. Thank you very much for your dedication here. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Rameshwar.
Congratulations, and definitely one of the most resourceful person in the entire organization, I can say, especially from HR perspective. Whatever I needed, actually, from the day one I have joined, obviously, right? Like a great resourceful guy. He will get it done for you. It can be retention, it can be hiring, or it can be anything that you wanted to resolve. So he knows how to handle it, and he does it really well, very nicely. So very good asset to the organization. Obviously, very good to work with you, Jitendra. Congratulations once again. Thank you.
Congratulations, Jitendra. I mean, I know him for the last 10 years. So we worked together in many, the positions filled up. So he, as Ramesh mentioned, he goes way beyond his limitations, and he never thinks that, okay, this is the only way I can go. He finds different solutions to the problems in getting the people onboarded and talk to them in different ways and get them onboarded. Congratulations, Jitendra, once again.
Yeah, congrats, Jiten. So I should congratulate him because he convinced me to join Evoke. So that is the first thing I should say. So congrats again, Jiten.
Congrats, Jitendra.
Congrats, Jitendra. I think you are very, very kind of forward-looking, as Ramesh has rightly mentioned, and I think you bring a lot of value to the HR function, the way you foresee the things, the way you kind of predict and forecast. Really good job. Congrats.
Wonderful. You're really awesome.
Hey Jit, congratulations. Great working with you.
So it's never ending. Jit, would you like to say a few words?
Yeah, Manjushwar, gratitude for all the words, every leader spoke, and it has been a wonderful journey working with Evoke. And I have to really thank both the Ramesh Manthana and Madala for letting me work the way I wanted to work and giving that freedom to go and express myself. With that, I think I could manage and pull out whatever I can. And my biggest strength has been my team. I think without that team, I would not have come all this far. And two people I should really I think mention, one is Shrikant Nampally and Kiran, who actually helped me pass through this journey. Srikanth, initial days, I worked only for 1 year, but the impact he created on me is like lifelong. So, and Kiran, whenever I was in tough situation, he was right beside me and helped me get off all those tough situations. And yeah, everybody, thank you so much. And I've learned a lot of things from every leader, like Venkat. We spent a lot of time together, and Feroz, Sukumar, and everybody. When I talk to them, they give that freedom to express myself. I think that has been a strength, which is helping me, do whatever I wanted to do. And one, the biggest reason I traveled this long is when I joined in a first year, I thought I should create a story for myself to tell my kids and my friends and family that I am one of the key resource in the transition of this. When I joined this company, we were 70 people, and I remember Ramesh telling me that 1,000 and it stuck in my head, and I wanted to be in that transition till we reach 1,000 and beyond. And I wanted to tell that story when I move on in my life. I think thank you so much, Ramesh, for letting me express the way I wanted to. And especially wanted to mention my biggest strength has been my team. Thank you so much.
We are going to create a movie, right, Ramesh?
What is it?
We are going to create a movie, that's what I'm saying.
Oh, okay. So you are not leaving after 1,000, right?
No, Ramesh. I said beyond also.
You mentioned beyond also. So
let me know. If you're leaving by 1,000, I'll stop 999.
He wants to make another 1,000, Ramesh.
One of the greatest gift to you, Jitender, you have ability to read other person's mind and act accordingly. That's your greatest asset.
Thank you, Rajesh.
Yeah.
Good. Enough time.